Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the security experts here at Proactive Security Cameras, where your safety and peace of mind is our business. I'm here today to talk to you guys about Power over Ethernet, or POE for short. Now, a lot of people don't truly realize what POE is, how it works, and what advantages it has. POE stands for Power over Ethernet, and it involves injecting power into a pair of the wires within Cat5e. The major advantage here is that it eliminates having to position a camera near a power outlet or having to run a separate power wire to the camera. So to be clear, the same wire you're already running for the video feed will also power the camera as well. This makes it easy to install and very efficient. You contrast that to how analog systems use power boxes like this one that require you to individually wire each camera into these power leads, and you'll quickly come to appreciate the ease of use that POE brings to the table. With both power boxes and POE, there is a maximum power limit available. With power boxes, they indicate this by the total number of amps and then divide that per amps per channel. You can see how many amps your camera consumes and just add the total number up to ensure the power box provides sufficient power. Similarly, POE switches and NVRs with built-in POE display their power limits in watts. And you'll notice it's very similar because how many watts are consumed by the camera are also listed in the specs, and you can just add up the total number to make sure you have enough power. All of our NVRs with built-in POE provide sufficient power no matter what camera goes with it. But this is just good knowledge to have if you're going to be using a third-party switch or existing equipment. Anyone can sell you cameras, so why choose Proactive Security Cameras? It's simple. We've been securing your homes and businesses for nearly 30 years, which proves that we do not abandon our customers after a sale. We've held an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau since 1999. Now, we also offer an industry-leading warranty, free shipping, free system designs and consultations, along with free US-based technical support on every purchase. I invite you to be proactive about your security.